Hello and welcome to Learning English for Beginners. Today we'll discuss the preposition part 1. Let's start with some examples. Okay, so each of the above sentences contains a word that means below, above, beside, in, near, on, in, etc. that shows the relation between the book and the table, right? Book and the table, and the relation between them is book is where below the table, book is where above the table, book is where beside the table, book is where in the table, near the table, on the table, or under the table, etc. So when a word that shows the relation between two nouns, in this case two nouns, of course, book and table, it is called pronoun preposition, right? So let me write it down. Each I hope it makes a sense because a word when shows the relation between two nouns in particular here in the above sentences are called prepositions, right? Let me write a few more examples so that it will be more clear to you. In these sentences, you see the prepositions used with pronouns, right? Like he, instead of noun, then this near, near, with, in. Okay. In the above sentences, the word prepositions shows the relation between two pronouns, he and us, she and me, I and this. Okay. So in this case, this prepositions is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. That means prepositions usually shows a relation between either between two nouns or between two pronouns. Okay, this is prepositions part 1. In the second part, we'll see more examples. and hopefully that will make things more clear for you. So stay tuned and watch the next episode.